Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know when trying to start your 1979 or similar Honda Pa50, Pa52, and also known as the Honda Camino. And I'll make this video nice and short. Make sure not to skip anything because there's a lot of little steps to do to start this bike. So let's get right into it. The first thing to note is that this bike does have a lever for your bicycle mode and motor mode. If it's really easy to spin over, you're in bicycle mode, go ahead and flip this and you'll be in motor mode. Now it's a lot harder to spin the back wheel. For your gas, this is your petcock. It'll be on the left side of the bike. This way is off, this way is on, and this way is reserve. Next will be your choke for your carburetor. It's on the right side of the bike. It's this little lever here. You'll push that forwards, you'll feel it click, and you now have choke. To turn that choke off, all you're gonna do is full throttle the bike. And if you heard that click, now that choke is off. When you full throttle the bike, that choke flies off. Next two steps are the easiest. Go ahead and turn your key into the on position and make sure your handlebar switch is in the run position. Now lastly, the infamous decomp lever. Right here is your decomp switch. When you go to start the bike, you want to make sure that you have this about halfway out. When you push in the decomp, what it does is it opens a small little port on the head of the top end of your motor, and it helps let a little bit of air out when you're pedaling, so it's easier to pedal over. And once you start to feel the motor turning over, you can go ahead and release your decomp and let the motor start. Sometimes it helps to give it a little bit of throttle, but you don't want to take that choke off. All right, so now I'll go ahead and show you guys how it looks on the bar end here. So you'll, again, hold in the decomp about halfway and go ahead and either get on the bike and pedal it, or my bike, in this case, I can just kick it over and I just immediately drop that decomp and I'm good to go. And then I'll do that one more time from the side, guys. It really is just a real quick flick of the thumb on the decomp to get this bike going. So here we go, guys. And that's it, guys. That's how you start a 1970s Honda Pa50, Pa52, and the Honda Camino. Thanks, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and I hope this helps.